Then next we have FTP and TFTP, file transfer protocol and trivial file transfer protocol. So both of these protocols are used for transferring files only. Okay, and also can be used for backing up your configuration and restoring your configuration. Your FTP. FTP is a secure protocol. TFTP is an unsecure protocol. Okay, FTP uses TCP. This uses UDP. That differences we'll see. Okay. So FTP stands for file transfer protocol, and this type of protocol is used to transfer or copy files from one host to another host. Like everything you are downloading from the internet, that is happening over FTP. And in FTP, secure channel is provided to transfer files from, means the files between the host or systems. So whenever you're transferring files through the FTP, they are having a secure communication rather than your TFTP. FTP works on two ports, port number 20 and 21. Okay, port number 20 is used for data communication and port number 21 is used for connection control. Okay, now what will happen? The TFTP. The TFTP stands for Trivial File Transfer Protocol, and TFTP is used to transfer a file either from client to server or server to client without the need of FTP feature, means without any security. Software of TFTP is smaller than FTP. Why? Because less number of features. Okay, no security, nothing. And your TFTP works on port number 69, and the service is provided by UDP. Okay, so TFTP is UDP based protocol and FTP is TCP based protocol. These are the references. First is the name FTP and TFTP. Second is the software of FTP is larger than TFTP. Software of TFTP is smaller than FTP. Uses two ports 20 and 21. Uses port number 69. TCP, UDP. Complexity FTP higher than TFTP, and this one is less than FTP. There are lots of comments in the FTP, only 5 comments in TFTP. FTP is secure, so it will need authentication. TFTP does not need any authentication. FTP generally suited for uploading and downloading files by remote users, and TFTP is mainly used for transmission of configuration to and from network devices. So for backing up and restoring the configurations, we will generally use TFTP. FTP is a reliable because TCP is a reliable protocol and UDP is unreliable. So unreliable. So TCP, UDP, FTP is slower because TCP is comparatively slower than your UDP. Okay, so this is slower and this is faster.